Welcome to Marketing for Newbies. This is Jamila Shields. I am here to teach all the newbie marketers how to properly promote your business, how to start off in your business, and what techniques you will have to use in order to make great campaigns, great promotions, and do the best that you can do as a new marketer out here, because you're out here fighting with the big dogs, right? Yes, that is your competition, but you can get to number one by being a newbie marketer, just like I did. The training that I'm about to show you, I'm going to give you a quick overview. It's called Easy One Up. Easy One Up is a marketing training, all in a box. It gives you from new beginner all the way to master's training in here. And yes, we have great bonuses. If you join Easy One Up at the top tiers, levels of training, you will get bonus training on YouTube traffic, Facebook traffic, solo ads, which is a traffic source that you will need in order to grow and get into this game with everybody else. I'm going to give you a realistic overview of what it actually entails, and just get excited about your new journey that you're about to take. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you, and we're going to look at the overview of Easy One Up. Let's go. Alrighty. So this is Easy One Up, and it says how does Easy One Up really work? We're here. The video you're going to watch soon. This is a screen that you're going to see really soon. Once you log in and put in your email and your name, your best email and your name, so you can get started. So elevation level is for the newbies. It's at the $25 level. And what you'll learn is network marketing basics, why online marketing, which online network marketing company to join, how to scale your online network marketing business, pros and cons of network marketing, how to generate leads, how to create your lead capture page, and email cultivation series. You will get some kickstart videos and show you how to create your bonuses and how to offer bonuses and how to build your empire as an affiliate marketer and much more. And that's only at the $25 level. At the Elevation Elite $100 level, you're going to learn how to use Udemy, how to get offline traffic, how to use a forum, signature marketing, product creation, solo ads. That's that traffic that I was telling you about. Live events and embedded Google Hangouts, YouTube clickable links, and YouTube in organic search. Show you how to use YouTube. Even Pinterest is on here. And this is all at the $100 level. Social media, copywriting, lead generation, Google Plus, and home base your website, and a little bit more. At $250 level is advanced digital business video series. You're going to get your getting started in your home-based business, your winning mindset, passion to profit business systems, the irresistible offer part 1 and 2, and lucrative list building. How to build your email list is what they're talking about. Traffic secrets, email relationship mastery, profitable relationships, the launch process, affiliate marketing, survival parts 1, 2, and 3. That is all in the $100 level. At the $500 Vertex Elite level, you're going to get some live business building courses, part 1 and 2, how your money works, drop shipping. That's another way to earn money online. This training is awesome, you guys. And at the Vertex Pro, this is where you'll start to get those extra bonuses for YouTube trafficking, Facebook, and solo ads, and learn how to use ClickBanks. But you have to join at least at this level here, the Vertex Pro. Yes, it costs $1,000, but it's only a one-time fee. Everything on here is a one-time fee. You get the video sales, you get free ads, traffic, Tumblr training, traffic exchanges, learn how to use Snapchat. It's not just for the kids, y'all. We can use it too. Try to dominate on social media and have authority. Reddit, LinkedIn basics, and Instagram marketing. You get all these things. Coaching authority, blog authority. You even learn how to use a blog. And at the Vertex Live, this is how to maximize ClickFunnels, which is a tool that you would use to make your sales funnels if needed. There is a low cost to start for ClickFunnels. You can upgrade learn how to use Amazon, internet marketing lifestyle. There's so much content in here, you guys. This is such an awesome training. I've learned a lot from this. I have been training with them since last year, and I'm here to teach you how to do the same. So I hope to see you on the other side. I really do. I hope you all. Hi, I'm back. I hope you all have liked what you've seen so far. You will get more details once you put in your name and your email. And if you're watching me on YouTube today, then like my channel and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell to get notifications when I upload a new video. There will be descriptions below my video on the links to get into Easy One Up. Also to get a free traffic source that I'm going to also give you. It's called Lead Lightning. That description will also be in there. It's at a very low cost to start to get into that. And once you learn how to promote that, you will get free leads. And also, I will be uploading videos on free traffic from YouTube and Facebook. So you guys stay tuned. I hope to see you on the other side. Go ahead and hit that button. Put your name and your email in, and I'll talk to you soon. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.